My Porsche is a great car, but the biggest pain is there's no place to put a cell phone. I found the best solution. Let's go. I'm crazy about my 911, but it sucks about the cell phone situation. There is no good place to put a cell phone, and the options I've seen for mounts specific to the 911 are not ideal. I've tried to position this everywhere for the best viewing position, but placing it in the center gets it in the way of the PCM, your shifter, or even your legs. Yeah, you can put it in the center console, but then you can't see the screen. If I wanted to use a GPS, I would actually open up the glove box and drive around this way. Not great. I have a large phone. It's a Samsung Note 10, and it doesn't come near fitting into the cup holder. I've looked online, and the best thing I saw was a magnet phone mount that was specific to the 911. But I didn't want to stick anything on my cell phone case, and this mount still gets in the way of everything. I even tried to make my own mount. I had to take the panel off just like the magnet type, which is not a big deal. I was able to get rid of the magnet, but it still covered the PCM. It ended up being worse than the magnet mount. Then I started to look at window mounts, and I ordered this for $8. If you're interested, there's a link to the description below. This is where I mounted it, on the left-hand side. It's perfect. It fits all types of phones. The viewing angle is really good in all angles, and the best part is it doesn't get in the way. The steering wheel blocks it a little in the horizontal position, but in vertical, it's good. When I want to take the phone out, there's this quick release button. It simply sucks to the window and has a small stand to rest on the dash. The neck is bendable to adjust it in the right position. It has a pressure suction. It hasn't fallen off my windshield yet. Also, it's easy to take on and off. This thing is great. I don't have to worry about taking Porsche panels off or putting something on my case. The case I'm using is the UAG, which is not the slimmest. Look at the windshield. It's not obstructing my view. And the position in the left lower corner like this is completely legal, at least in California, but check your local laws. I don't want to be responsible for your tickets. I see one downside. When you need to charge the phone, you have to drape a cable all the way to the glove box. My phone is pretty new and has great battery life, so I don't worry about that yet. Let's take a look outside the car. You can barely tell it's there. Oh yeah, there you go. If you have a 911 or you want to get one, this is a must accessory. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.